Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, not a whole lot of price action today on the Euro dollar. We have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow, so it kind of makes sense that the market's a little bit on the overlapping side, waiting for that big news event. I think the best scenario for us is that this continues to overlap, maybe pushing its way up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels before we potentially, hopefully, get a nice push to the downside at tomorrow's news, especially if this up here really is the end of a correction on a little bit of a higher time frame, which with this breaker structure, it does seem very likely that this is the end of a pullback on the higher time frame. So hopefully we have a wave one, we have a wave two, and it goes down for a nice big wave three. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.